In this video we are going to be analysing drug, so to get straight into it, what are going to be our resistance levels if we continue to push up? And as stated in the last analysis video, which I think we did about a week ago, coming into around this $4 level is going to be strong support because it's our fourth deviation on the 4 hour and also our second deviation on the daily. The reason as well why this is such a strong resistance is we have now broken over our third deviation on the 4 hour, and really if you understand standard deviation, you know 99.7% of the data trades within the third deviations. So seeing it break outside, you expect the stock to pull back very fast, and that's why we keep seeing it. It happened about a week ago. We popped out of that level, came back quickly, came to it once more, came back quickly, and now we kind of tested that $4 level, and we can see we are pulling back very quickly from this level. As soon as this loads, we'll be able to see it. As soon as we come into this level, we just keep selling off and trying to push back towards that third deviation, which is at $310. That's why we keep pushing back to this level, because we probably on a statistical basis shouldn't be trading outside of there. Now, if we are somehow able to break out, and again this is possible, not likely but does happen, especially on these kind of momentum stocks. If you start seeing about it on say StockTwits and Reddit, really these are the way these stocks get pumped, and if it does, then really they have no logic. They can just keep going until they all of a sudden crash. So if it did have one of these breakouts and continue to spike, then we would have near-term targets at around 630 and a final one at 850. Again, quite unlikely, but we'd like to give you the levels just in case they break out. Now, more of the focus is on the support side, so we'll get straight into that, because if we start putting back, what are we looking at? And as we already stated when we were talking about the resistances, at $310 is our third deviation on the 4 hour. So this is going to be the key support for now. What we really want to see is a break below, come back to retest like we kind of did here, and then see selling pressure. Once we see that, we can know more likely than not it's going to push down to our next deviation, which would take us to $2.25. So quite a big sell-off. If we're able to break that, then we see our next push down to $1.85 and then $1.45. Now, it could go lower, and if so, we would be looking at the gap fill at around $1. But really, once we break kind of below this 150 level, the momentum on this stock has really slowed down, and really there'll probably be better trading opportunities elsewhere. However, that is the breakdown on drugs, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video here.